In this short video, we're going to talk about the holding period return, or how you calculate holding period returns. So basically, we only have four variables. What did the asset start at? What was its beginning value? Or if it's today, what is today's value? So let's say this asset, let's make the math easy, is $100. Let's say we bought this a year ago. So we bought it a year ago, and now it's worth $150. The time horizon being 1 year. So what is the rate of return? You can see here the return that's not annualized is 50%. That is just the raw data, right? It's the ending value divided by the beginning value. Of course, we'd add cash flows if we had them. And then you subtract 1, so you get, this is the actual holding period return. Now, here's the first question we have. What happens if the time horizon is different? What if it took you 5 years to earn this 50%? We would like to convert that 50% into an annualized number. So let's say it takes 5 years. How do we know? What's the calculation? Well, 5 years. If you divide 50 by 5, that's roughly 10. But we know there's a time value of money, so it'll be slightly less than that. So 8.45% is what you would earn on average per year on this particular investment, right? Because the raw return is divided or is averaged over the time frame. What if it only took a half a year for this to happen? Then you put in the time horizon is in years, 0.5, half of a year. Then actually in an annual term, you would have earned 125%. Well, how is that possible? Well, in 6 months, you earn 50%. And then in the next 6 months, you earn 50%. But that first 50% from the first 6 months, that also is going to earn 50%. So now that's where we come up with this, the 50%, right? That gets you to 100%. And then another 50% of 50% gives you 125%. Now we also could look at stock prices. So we bought a stock for $130. That stock is currently worth $175. And let's say that this stock paid us $4 in dividends. If it took 1 year for that to happen, it's roughly 37.69%. If it took 2 years, we still earn the raw return is still this 37.69, but when you annualize it, 17.34. Again, a short video. The other variables here are all related to what I kind of refer to as a more theoretical concept called continuously compounded returns. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.